Alright guys, we are here back in elevator testing here on Roblox, and I've been meaning to check out this building for a while. This complex recently replaced the building on 158 Green Avenue here in the city center. But now it looks like we got some new ThyssenKrupps. And just like the Otis Gen2s that were in this area with the other building, these are scenic. Here we are at 6. There's the other elevator over there. Here we are at 1. Take one more ride on this one. These have dual floor numbers. Looks like this elevator got called. Take this back down to 1 and switch over to the other elevator. These are really smooth. Although I don't know why they went with a generic panel and arrow lanterns. Looks like we gotta wait for this one. And here it is. Identical to the other one, just with a glass window on the other side. Take it up to 6. And watch the floor numbers. Here we are at 6. Take her back down to 1. Alright. Let's take her back up. If you're wondering what that loud chime is, that's the new streetcar system that takes you to the mountain. And there's an underground station in the mountain that they put in. So we're gonna end this video back up on the 6th floor to get a view. The streetcar system that just went by consists of 2 trains. So that way, there's a nice steady flow for transit. Here we are at 6. Looks like this elevator got called. So we'll let it go. Here comes another train. There's the green train. So there's a quick view for you guys. And that'll be it.